we have this home page here, and we don't have any other pages. We don't have a menu. So let's go ahead and make pages and make a menu. Let's go back to our dashboard. So over here under pages, I'll click on all pages. Now you might have some pages that come with WordPress by default, so you can go ahead and delete those if you wish. And I think you should, because those pages are pretty much useless. But let's just go ahead and make a page. So over here under pages, I'll click on add new. And then go ahead and give your home page a name. So this will just be home page, or just home. And then I'll click on publish and publish. So I made the home page, and now I want to make the about us page. So let's go back to the little WordPress icon, and then the same thing under pages, add new. Here we go, about, and then publish and publish. And then one more time, we'll just do it for the contact us, just to make sure you guys know how to, add pages. So here we go, contact us, and then we'll click on pages, or publish and publish pages. Silly me, silly me. All right, so we created the contact us page. The next thing we're gonna do is we need to create a menu. So we need to assign these pages to our websites. We'll go over here to appearance, and we'll click on menus. So now we need to make a menu for our website. So this will be just basically like primary menu, right? The most important menu on your website. And then I'll click on create menu. Next we have pages. So now you can see the pages that we created right here. So I'll click on view all, and I'll do the home, the about, and the contact us. And there, you might come across two abouts actually, and that's a good thing it did. So you get two home pages because this is the default home page that WordPress creates by default, and it's a custom link. However, we do not need this. So for this custom link, we can remove that. Now this custom link could be anything. So this can be like another website. This can be your shop. This can be your Facebook page. You can make this anything that you want. So for example, you can put like Facebook page, and then you can put your link to your Facebook page right here if you want to do that. However, I'm just going to remove this. Remember, you can add custom links to your menu at any time by clicking on custom links and adding them to the menu. And that's pretty much it. Some people use custom links for social profiles or groups or something like that. Now that we have our primary menu, we can go ahead and rearrange it. So I want the home at the top, the middle and the about in the middle, and then the contact us right there at the bottom. And then once that's done, I will click on save menu. So we created our menu. Now let's go ahead and take a look at our website. So let's go over here to visit sites. And then we have our pages here at the top right. So we have contact us, about, and then we have the home page. The next thing that we need to do is we need to assign the home page as a home page. So we need to tell the website what is the first page that our visitors want to go to when they visit our websites, or that we want them to go when they visit our websites. We're going to use the theme customizer. So you'll see this customize at the top. Go ahead and click on customize. Now the theme customizer essentially changes various parts of the website that the page builder normally does not. However, we will talk all about the theme customizer and come back to it a little bit later in the video. But first, the only thing that we need to do from this section is go to homepage settings. And for our homepage, we will set a static page. And for the homepage, we will select it as home. And then click on publish. And we can close this. All right, so now we have our pages, and I think we're all ready to go. Now let's go ahead and install the page builder. So we're going to install a free page builder. It's really intuitive, it's really simple to use, and it's actually the most popular for WordPress right now. So let's go back to our dashboard, and under plugins, you'll click on add new. You guys are going to love plugins. Plugins are basically applications for your website, and there is a plugin for pretty much everything. There's a plugin for selling products, there's a plugin for SEO, there's a plugin for building websites, there's a contact form plugin, there's a security plugin. I mean, there is a plugin for virtually everything, and I think there is over, 52,000 plugins. So no matter what you need for your website, there is definitely a plugin for it. I had people in the past who needed booking websites or membership websites, and that is all available for plugins. Now we're going to install this plugin right here. It's called Elementor. Now under search plugins, you can just type in Elementor. It's the most popular page builder for WordPress. You can see it has more than 5 million active installs with 5,627 positive reviews. And they update it quite often. They're always adding in new features. It kind of is hard to stay up to date because all the features they add are really incredible. But go ahead and click on install now. And once it is done installing, you will click on activate. All right, congrats. So we have the page builder installed. Now let's go over here to pages and click on all pages. So we're ready to now use the page builder to start designing the website. So we first want to design the home page, right? So under edits, let's click on the edit under the home. However, before we start designing the website, we need to change the structure of the actual frame of the website. So for example, this is our home page. However, you can see it's not full width, and I want my website to be full width, and I want to get rid of this sidebar. This is where the theme options come into play. This is why we're using this specific theme, because it gives us this functionality. You'll see this gear icon at the top right. Go ahead and click on the settings. Now we have these asterisk settings right here, and this is from the WordPress theme. So for the sidebar, I don't want a sidebar on the home page, right? And for the content layout, I want it full width and stretched, meaning I want the actual content to stretch across the whole page. And I also want to disable the home title page because I don't want visitors to see home. They don't need to know that. We're gonna use the page builder to design the website. And once that's done, we can click on update, and there we go. You can also add a transparent header to this as well. That means you can have an invisible header. So if you don't want people to see your actual header, you can make it transparent, which is